Salam alaikum, hello, namaskar. Welcome to episode 2, where we will make you understand how the businesses globally can set up in UAE. I, Pratik Toshniwal, along with my colleague Shweta Soni, will take you through the process. Hi Shweta, how are you?
Hello, Pratik. I'm doing very well. What about you?
All good. So Shweta, lot of businesses want to set up in UAE. Can you help us to understand the process and guide us which are the jurisdictions where these entities can be set up?
Wonderful. This is certainly an interesting question. So, UAE is offering an endless opportunities for the entrepreneur, investor, and professionals. I am here from past 2 decades, 20 years, and I have seen the growth in the UAE. UAE government is coming up always with such great schemes and plans which where they support the small businesses as well as the large businesses as well. Coming to your question, there are 7 emirates in the UAE. Each emirates is having their own mainland department, plus 50 plus free zones are there in the UAE. So we have to understand which activities someone is planning to do in the UAE. Accordingly, we can guide them for the right authority and they can establish their business in the UAE.
7 mainlands and 50 free zones. That's interesting. So, Shweta, we would want to understand whether these businesses can get tax benefits.
So UAE is unique in that way, I'll say. Certainly they can get the tax benefit because we have to understand first what is the business plan, what is the exact activity. Accordingly, we can guide them for the right authority where they can get the tax benefit.
So, the secret sauce of claiming the tax benefit lies with Shweta Soni. So, yes, moving ahead, we would also want to understand business is set up, right? Tax benefits are also fine. But are the visa processes very compliant or very long, or it is very easy to get a visa here?
Before sharing the visa process, I would like to share a fact with you. You don't have to come to UAE to establish your company.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah, so you can set up your company remotely. Within 10 to 12 working days, your company will be live. So you can save your time, your expenses, and your company will be live here. So yeah, so after setting up the company, you will get an establishment card. Once you will get your establishment card, you can get your visa from the company, and you can apply for the general manager category, you can apply for the investor category, and if you want to hire your employees, you can do that. You have to stay here for 10 to 12 working days in the UAE to get your medical done, get your biometric done, and then you will be official residents of the UAE.
Excellent. So if you want to become a resident of UAE, Marhaba, come to Dubai. Stay tuned for such interesting episodes. And the next episode will cover the banking regulations and how businesses can set up bank accounts in UAE. Keep growing, stay connected. Thank you.
Thank you so much.